cutest thing in the world.
Guys, look who I'm with. Hi. We are in Shanghai right now. Sophie's here on exchange, so I've come to visit her.
Yay!
Yay! I just got in and now what are we doing?
We're walking through Beijing Hotel.
It's so nice here.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Like the architecture is just so nice.
Go grab dinner, go shopping, and then just catch up.
Yeah! We haven't seen each other in so long,
Yeah,
so
ages.
we're very excited. So I'll take you on the journey with me.
Woohoo!
Yeah! Oh my god, stop. You are the cutest thing ever. Hi! Oh my god. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, it's so cute.
Have some pork, pancakes, we have noodles, watermelon juice, some lettuce with sesame sauce, which like,
so good.
yeah, we love.
It's like surprisingly good. It's so weird.
It's really nice. And then some deep fried buns with condensed milk, which is amazing. So yeah.
First meal in China. Hey guys, it is day 2 of Shanghai and Sophie and I are heading to Disneyland today, which is so exciting. She's just getting changed, so I thought I'd show you around the Airbnb because I didn't do that yesterday. I've just finished doing my makeup. I did like this red eyeshadow because at Disneyland, of course. My mess that I've done, this is the only like good spot I can do my makeup in. And Sophie brought me flowers yesterday, which is so cute. Yeah, this is my Airbnb, so this is a little kitchen area, and then this is like my favorite area. It's so cute. We've like messed it all up, but they've set up cute little table with plates and stuff. It's just so cute in here, so homey. And the couch area is just like my favorite. It's this yellow couch with pink cushions, and I feel like I want this in my apartment. It's so nice. It's so cute. We've just had some snacks last night. There's a little projector thing as well, but it's all Chinese movies, so yeah, it's so cute in here. And then this is our bedroom. We have this cow, and then we've got this cool light, some closet space. Our bed is so cute, and at night you can have like the fairy lights on. This is our bathroom. It's so like Chinese. It's so cute. Oh my god, the drilling. No. The drilling has been going on all night. It's so annoying, but don't even know if you can hear me, but this is a cute bathroom. And there's cute Sophie. Hello. She's dressed like Minnie. It's so cute.
Yeah, got some white trousers.
Yeah, amazing. Love it.
Wait, let me show you our outfit.
Okay.
It's the cutest of them all. Look at that. That's do you want to talk us through it?
Okay, this red top I think is from Pretty Little Thing, maybe. And then these dungarees are from ASOS Marketplace.
Hey.
Yeah,
Do a close up there, look. They're so cute.
I feel like a little kid, I love it. And Converse.
Beautiful.
Frilly socks.
As you
Amazing.
do.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yay. So we're out at breakfast. Where is this? What's this called?
Hashtag tartine.
Yeah. And what is this that we've got?
It's a banana caramel thing with chia and coconut.
Okay. So Sophie wants my reaction.
I want your reaction.
Right.
It's really good.
Just with flour. Oh my god, that caramel's so good.
I know.
here called Tron, and I loved it so much, but Sophie hated it.
It's a no from me.
No, it was so much. So it is my third day in Shanghai. I am just eating a fruit salad that I got from Starbucks yesterday. Sophie's just gone out to her own apartment to get some more stuff because she's going to stay here with me for the rest of the time I'm here, which is only 2 or 3 more days, which is sad. I think we are going to go out to the biggest Starbucks in the world and then go to Sephora, which is going to be so exciting. I don't really have many plans here in Shanghai. I've just been letting Sophie like show me around because I want to see like what she has been loving in Shanghai and what she's been doing. So yeah, that's what's been happening. So I don't really know what we're doing. I think we're doing People's Square tomorrow. I'm not too sure. So in H&M, I've done some damage. I went to a Toot House, did some damage, went to Sephora, did a little bit of damage, wasn't that much, because all the brands here, like the makeup, all test on animals, so I didn't really get much. And this is my outfit for today. Everything is from factory except for my shoes, which are Converse, of course. But yeah, we're about to do some damage in H&M. A whole bunch of things to try. Of course, have my Found a Bieber thing, so yeah, about to try on some clothes, but thought I'd show you my outfit first, so let's get trying. We're at Taco Bell. This looks so good. This is my first time here. I got quesadillas, Sophie got burritos and drinks. All our shopping. Happy. Guys, we're having date night. Look at all of this. We've set up the dining, well, Sophie set up the dining table. She's such a cute boyfriend. Did some ramen and bubble tea and we're about to Skype our friends, so yeah, thanks.
Let's eat.
Yeah, I feel like that's what all we've been saying this vlog, but that's all we've been doing. So
we'll do face masks after.
yes, we bought these face masks from Innisfree. Was it? No, yeah, Innisfree, and they're dog ones. So I'm gonna be the Chihuahua, and Sophie's being the Siberian Husky. We've got a great night ahead. Yay. Amazing. Face masks on.
Hey guys.
Hey. I don't know where my packet is, but this is Sophie's one.
I'm a Siberian Husky.
And I'm meant to be a Chihuahua. Oh god. Yeah.
Great night in. Get ready for People's Square tomorrow.
Yay! Bye. Eggs Benny. Sophie got a salad thing. What's it called again?
An antipasta.
Yeah. Looks so good. Yeah. Let's eat. Yay.
subscribe.
Yeah. Guys, it's my last day here in Shanghai. Sad. We're at the same cafe as yesterday doing assignments because we're good uni students. My food has arrived. I got a grilled salmon. Sophie got an almond croissant and an Americano, and I got 2 orange juices. This is how we're spending my last morning. Today, I'm packing. Sophie's going out for lunch. And then we're going to go shopping again. Yay!
And then we'll finish the night off at the Bund.
Yeah,
so nice
amazing. Yeah. Yay! I'm going to eat this now. Goodbye. Hey guys, I'm looking great right now. I've got some eye patches on. I'm just packing right now. Sophie has gone out to lunch with someone, so I'm just at the Airbnb by myself, just packing all my crap that needs to be packed. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm fully packed. This is my suitcase. It's yellow. Can you tell I've been loving yellow lately? Like suitcase, nails, power bank, couch. Yeah, that's my suitcase all packed. And everything fits so nicely, so well, so that's all good. My outfit for the airport all sorted. I've got this red cropped denim jacket from Pull & Bear that I got yesterday, which I'm in love with. I've got Calvin Klein bra. A yellow shirt from Brandy Melville, again yellow, and my Barbie sweatpants from Misguided. I'm done quite a lot earlier than I thought. I thought it would take so much longer. I'm supposed to be meeting Sophie at like 3 o'clock and I finished so much earlier, so now I'm like, what do I do? And I could do my makeup, but I've packed it all, so like, I have no idea what to do. I'm really gonna miss this place. I love this Airbnb. Like, how cute is it? It's so, so cute. I haven't like taken Instas here. Like, I got it because it's such like an Instagram worthy place. Like, if I sat on the couch here, got an Insta, I don't know, maybe I'll get Sophie to do that for me before we go. But yeah, it's so, so cute. I just love this Airbnb. All packed, all good. Gonna just chill now. I'm not dressed for this place.
Wearing denim shorts.
Yeah, I'm wearing a denim skirt. My dad booked this place. We had no idea that it was this fancy. Look at this. We're in like a private room thing. I feel bad.
What have we done?
I'm not wearing any makeup. Oh, they have a nice view. Yeah, that is the end of this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I completely forgot to end it, but yeah, I had a great time in Shanghai, as you guys saw, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you don't want to miss out on more videos, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye!